Okay. So now how to correlation we are going to study, and correlation has value between the -1 to 1. So the maximum value of correlation is 1. Correlation is 1 means perfectly related. Correlation is -1 means also perfectly related but inversely proportional. The ratio is going to be inverse. See here, correlation of +1 means directly proportional. Correlation of -1 means inversely proportional. Correlation of 0 means the variables are not related. So they don't have any relation between the variables. And you can find the correlation coefficient of the data. So you will get a perfect one along the diagonal. And if you can decide if it is close to 1 means highly correlated, close to 0 means uncorrelated. And correlation can be negative also. So every here it is given how the correlation takes place. Okay, so see here the value in the second column in the first row is the correlation between column 2 and column 1 of the input. So how the various values of correlation are determined, that is shown here. Okay, and you have commands to do that. So given 3 column vectors A, B, C, so which command will be used to find the correlation coefficient between the 2 vectors? Say me the answer. Which function you will use, A, B, or C? So I think we saw the function name. Which function name you will use to find the correlation coefficient between 3 variables A, B, and C? Please type the answers. A or B or C. Answer is C. We'll try. I hope it is correct. No. Column vectors. If you just give A, B, C, it is variable, right? So what is the answer? The function name is correct, but the argument is wrong. You have to give the matrices, right? So you have to use square brackets. Able to understand normal variables, you can use A, comma, B, comma, C. But since you are going to use vectors as input to your correlation, you have to use correlation coefficient of within square brackets. We will be using A, comma, B, comma, C. I hope that is clear to everyone. So B is the correct answer. Yes, those who have said B, good. One more quiz. See here. What is the correlation coefficient between the vectors A and C given the following MATLAB command and its result? So the correlation answer is given. They are asking what is the correlation between the vectors A and C. What is the correlation between the vectors A and C? The answer options are given. Please say me the answer. It's A or B or C. Good fast. I think the answer is -1. We'll try with the -1. Anybody has any other answers? The first column is A, B, and C. So between A and B means you have to compare first and second column. Between A and C means you have to compare first and third column. So if we compare first and third column, A and C, I think it is -0.303. I'm not sure. We'll see. B and C means the answer will be 0.1079. A and B means 0.40, 0.4356. Okay. Answer is correct.